Listen, you guys, I used to shell out $240 a month for 5 different AI tools. Plus, I wasted a ton of time just trying to get some decent clips. But this morning, you guys, everything has changed. I had a video ready to upload in just 20 minutes. Here is how I changed things up. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to what is known as Framia, aka Framia Pro, which offers full SOP automation that turns simple ideas into upload ready videos in literally just 15 to 30 minutes, saving 80 to 90% of your creation time. You heard that correct here, you guys. Imagine having an AI team, script writer, composer, voiceover actor, and video director making entire projects for you, even if you only input a brief 3-word prompt. Well, whenever it comes to Framia Pro, you guys, it equips you with 9 specialized agents. You heard that correct. So we're going to be able to dive down into this and we can actually see a whole bunch of different things here, right? We're talking about these specialized agents, you guys. They are ranging from different things such as the music video agent, to the e-commerce agents, covering every possible creative need. Now, there's also an ad video agent, movie agent, shorts agent, music agent, social agent, branding agent, and even we got the photography agent. And you guys, very, very important before we continue, if you use my link that is down below in the description, you're going to be able to get a special 200 extra free credits. So let's go with the shorts agent today. All right. So what you guys need to do is you need to go up here. You're going to be able to log in. All right. We're just going to go right here. And you guys are going to see it's going to take you to the main dashboard. Now, all you have to do here is enter something in this prompt, right? This is going to be very important that you express the details that you want, all right? So in this case, we're going to do a movie agent, cinematic, wide-angle shot of a cyberpunk female hacker with silver hair and neon blue jacket typing at a holographic terminal, okay? This is going to be able to generate your first scene to establish your main character, obviously with the prompt. You guys can see right here, we do have the important details. We want a widescreen or we want a vertical. We're going to do wide. So I want you guys to also understand you can generate a new shot with a follow-up prompt, which we'll talk about here in just a few moments. If one specific clip isn't perfect, you can highlight just that one single block on the timeline and hit regenerate without losing the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, so our little movie scene, it is ready. So let's click play. I have to admit, I love that. So here's our follow-up prompt, which is going to be close-up shot of the same silver-haired female hacker looking over their shoulder in surprise, maintaining exact facial features and the neon blue jackets. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Here it is. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty dramatic. I absolutely love that, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in. You guys can see that. Boom, easy and simple. Once again, we're gonna do shorts agent. Okay, that is what we're gonna use. All right. So you guys can see that right here. Create a 15-second vertical video showing a frustrated creator surrounded by complicated software logos, then transitioning to a calm, futuristic workplace. We're gonna be able to sync the transition perfectly to the bass drop of the trending copyright free funk audio, use dynamic zoom and glitch effects on the beat. I like that. All right. So that's what we're going to be using, you guys. Framia Pro, you guys, this is literally an all-in-one creative AI agent for video, design, and audio that replaces your expensive tech stack. Instead of paying, let's say, $240 a month for Runway, Midjourney, Kling, CapCut Pro, and Canva Pro, you actually get one subscription that saves you $200 to $500 a month, you got. Now, the platform, it also gives you access to 20 plus top tier built-in models, including Sora 2, Dio 3.1, Nano Banana 2, and Suno V5. It gives you access to the top tier. It offers precision control and results that are ready to use instantly, unlike any other type of AI tools that actually force you to regenerate content multiple times, hoping for a single satisfactory version. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, this literally took us probably about 20 minutes for this 15-second clip to be created. All right, so let's actually take a listen here and then we'll continue on. I gotta admit, you guys, I absolutely love that. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, what you need to do after that is go back to the home page, and we're actually going to go ahead and create a whole new prompt. So in this case, you guys, we are going to do a design agent demonstration. We're actually going to use the social agent in this case. So generate a high converting social media graphic for YT ranker promoting their YouTube SEO and video ranking services. And you guys could see the rest right there, brand colors and more. All right. And we're actually going to go ahead and just kind of use an image here. So we're going to generate a promotional graphic focused on YouTube ranking services. Not only that, you guys, but we can also use a split layers feature to separate rank number 1 text. Not only that, but we're talking about the YT ranker logo and background. So technically we can move or resize individual elements. So we're going to go ahead and try this again real quick. Social agent. There we go. We're going to go ahead and get this started. So obviously, you guys, we're going to be able to use the chat to edit features, to make specific changes, targeted corrections without regenerating the entire design. Whenever it comes to Framia Pro, it ends the unproductive generate and pray method by using intelligent agents that understand your creative intent through natural language. So I also want you guys to understand that basically all of this, guys, it does feature a storyboard timeline editor where you can actually visually arrange clips. Not only that, but you can also tweak the audio visual syncs, and you can regenerate individual shots rather than starting over. So you can also maintain perfect character consistency across all shots, right? Obviously, this is crucial, especially for branded content and emotional storytelling. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, obviously, this is exactly what it generated. You can even see here, you can regenerate the image if you'd like to. That's going to be up to you, but you guys can see exactly how that works, right? So it actually looks pretty cool. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stop letting complicated tools hold back your potential. Take control of your creative workflow today. Use the special link to instantly unlock the exclusive 200 free credits to start generating right now. Plus, you guys, all of the premium subscriptions, they are currently a massive 50% off. Don't wait. Claim your free credits and start creating like a pro. So once again, check out the links down below in the description. Smash up that like button and also smash up that subscribe button.